message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I tried so.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, karibu sana. I'm Caroline. I do homemaking videos, cooking, hauls and everything about home. And today guys, I'm hosting my niece's 10th year birthday at my house, and so this was me preparing the chicken and everything else that I was going to cook. And also they brought the food, and also I had someone help me prepare them, so I was just going to cook.
Hard to be what you need if you're into the finer things. Well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me.
How do you do, you guys? I'm the mother to the birthday girl, so I'm chilling. I have a little baby. Na naumia. Ninaumwa na muscles. Any medication for that? Bye. See you when I'm eating.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. The world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, so I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways. I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, I call you every night. I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, so I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways. I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh,
Wewe unaona wewe ndo utamfungua.
Oh,
Wewe ndo
akuje hapa.
utamfungua, nitamsimika. Ready?
Yes!
And
For the next 20 minutes.
simama hapo. Look at the video. Unaona kamera.
just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashley.
May you have many, many more.
May you have many, many more.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So I'm getting ready to go school hunting for my daughter. I want to check out a school that the class teacher suggested. I want to go and check how it is. I've seen the pictures, but I usually I want to go and see it by myself. Yeah, my daughter is not going to continue in the school she was because it's just a kindergarten. They don't have grade 1, so I have to go school hunting. That's why. But my son is going to continue in that school. So guys, this is my outfit of the day.
walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it with
Jumpsuit, I bought it from Label, so I'll catch you guys later. Nice. I think niko nimeona picha but I think it looks better
when you actually see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so grade 1. So now we'll be having our first grade 1.
Oh, you're having the first one?
Yes, we
Okay.
also graduated the first time this year. So the playground.
This one, this one.
Yes, this
Okay. It's very nice.
So
So,
get closer.
yeah. So guys, this is the next day. My client is moving into a new house, and this was me coming to do the deep cleaning, move in cleaning, so she can move in the next day.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. 'cause you did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm